Today, I want to talk about TMS lasting forever. I get this question all the time. Kyle, will TMS last forever? No, it won't. But there are things that we can do to maintain the benefits of TMS. We just released an episode about the David Goggins Huberman podcast. In that podcast, Goggins says there's no life hack. And my response to that is bullshit. TMS is a life hack. TMS is one of many life hacks that I have found in my life. Also, in my opinion, the very best life hack that there is. Tuning the brain is fantastic. And through that process, you damn well better be working out small, daily, achievable goals. For me, I started riding my bike. I started doing push-ups. And it was only a couple push-ups at the beginning. It was only a mile on the bike at the beginning. But through that process, I just built and built and built. There was a time I was 250 pounds. And today, I'm 195. A lot of muscle. I work out today. I'll bang 1,000-calorie workout in the morning at 4:30 in the morning. And things like that help the brain, the neuroplasticity of the brain, help the neurons travel down healthy paths, help your thought process, be positive, be healthy. I'm eating obviously way better than I was. I don't drink. I don't smoke weed. I don't do cocaine, mushrooms, all the things that I used to do to maintain what I felt was a balanced brain. I don't do any of those things anymore, and it's because of TMS. Now, will it last forever? Like I said, no. There are little tricks to make it last a little bit longer. The coolest thing about this, though, especially if you're using insurance. Okay, hold on. Say you pay cash for round one because insurance won't pick it up. If you go back, say a year, 2 years later, and you tell that provider who does TMS, I've done TMS before, I want my insurance to pay for it, they should pick it up. Even if you don't have the meds, you've proven now that TMS works for you. They should pick up round two. If you've used your insurance to get TMS, go back, do it again. TMS round two is better than round one. Clearly, I'm walking proof of that. Your neurons will naturally slow back down. And that's where the depression comes in, right? The anxiety, all those things. If you're out there living a crazy life, riding dirt bikes, falling down, banging your head, getting concussions, that's naturally going to throw off your system. And it will affect your daily life. And that's really where TMS comes in to benefit people, tuning the system. If you throw that system off, if you're not using the system, if you're on that couch watching soap operas, I say it all the time, you will have soap opera brain very quick. Using the system is the best way to maintain that healthy lifestyle. I also say all the time that TMS is the jumper cables to that dead battery. But it's our job to drive that car like we stole it, right? And live life to the fullest. We're not built to sit around and do nothing. And if that's what you want, that's what you're going to get. But if you want to live a life and you've tuned that brain, man, life is beautiful and it's totally possible to get out and feel the benefits of TMS and also maintain them. You got to start somewhere. If you're having a problem getting off that couch, man, I highly suggest finding yourself a TMS device. No matter what it is, tune that brain, get started. As always, if there's questions, concerns, if you just want to talk, drop a comment below. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe, all those YouTube-ish things. It's not why I do this, but it does support me and helps me out, helps me continue to go. So I ask that you do that. And as always, live life to the fullest, man, because that's what this is about. Actually living life and living it to the fullest.